What the hell is this?
Heat deflecting paste. You'll burn up in there without it.
Smells like puke.
I pre-digested it to increase its potency.
It's puke!
We're gonna have to move fast. All of Moya is glowing.
I hate these goggles. They look like crap.
Stop whining. You sound like a Zelmat. They're the only thing that's gonna stop you from going blind in there.
Probably will anyway. Here, this may be of some use to you. I made it from a piece of my prowler, and it will withstand a Zakian laser pulse.
Thank you.
Solar reflective flare wrap. Pull it on tight.
Does this strike any of you superior beings as a little bit ironic?
What?
And I'm the deficient one, and I'm still saving your butts.
Bend over. We soaked it in Zan's biopaste for as long as we could.
Great. I look ridiculous, don't I?
Don't worry. This is Traltex's disappearing device, so it won't matter how ridiculous you look.